Christmas.
Daddy,
Santa came.
Do you want to go see the Christmas tree?
Come on, let's go. Go look at the Christmas tree. Let me hold your blankie. Go look at the Christmas
Come
tree.
this way. Look by the Christmas tree.
Oh, look! Wow!
What is that?
Tractor!
A tractor.
What, he's driving a tractor? Look at that bike. That's all yours. Those are all your presents.
Say thank you, Santa.
Take a seat. Can you put your feet on those pedals? Let me see you. Look at Daddy. Liam, look at Daddy.
Oh, bills. No money, that bike. Uh-oh. Move. Move.
Look up here at Daddy. Liam, look at Daddy. Push down. Push your foot down. Go ahead. Push it down. Yeah, it's got some ass behind it, huh?
Yeah.
Look. Get on here. Push this button down. Ready? You steer and push. Push your foot down. Push your foot down. There you go. Steer on here. Come on out here.
Turn the wheel, bud. Then step on the pedal.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. That's it.
Whoa, look at that bike. Can you reach the pedals?
Uh-oh.
Look at Daddy for a second. Look at me. Say hi.
Hi.
Wait, over here. Liam, do you want to open your gifts? You want to open up your gifts?
They're all in the trailer, look.
Look at all your presents in the back of the tractor.
Wanna go open them?
You want to open some?
Yeah. Okay.
Here's one. Open this one.
Okay.
Who's that from? Santa?